Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. I just got back from the post office. I was able to make it there today before they closed. And I have my BOXYCHARM by IPSY. Yep, still have this one. Made the choices. Once again, I don't think it's going to be a great month. I don't exactly remember my choices, but I remember not being wowed by anything. So let's take a look. I wasn't able to put anything in here with points. I don't think there was anything that I didn't already have. Here we go. Here's the little newspaper that you get. This is, of course, November 2024. Glow off this winter. It's all about the holidays, y'all. You know, we're a couple weeks away from Thanksgiving, which is, of course, shopping. You know, shopping's already kicked off, but, you know, traditionally, you know, Thanksgiving kicks off shopping. Now, it's a late Thanksgiving this year, so it's going to start late. So brands are already doing, like, Black Fridays already now. But talks a little bit about the items in the box that are potentially, talks about the glam bag. There's a Fenty Beauty Holiday Bundle you can get for $39.99. Let's see, a Buxom Cosmetics Holiday Bundle for $34.99. Limited Holiday Edition Mystery Bags for $16. They're all sample size for $16, but, you know, cute stocking stuffer, right? 24 Days of Glam Advent Calendar is a $700 value, MSRP, of course, and it's $199. Anywho, what else do we have? Anything exciting? Okay, November's Icon Box. Lisa Vanderpump is the curator. Winter Hydration Wonders. They talk about masking. I don't, you know, nothing exciting. Nothing terribly thrilling. Whatever. It's all about getting you to spend as much money as you can with IPSY, right? Okay, let's get into it. First item is Biro Hydrangea Tea Intensive Hydration Serum. I think some of this I picked because the other options were horrible. So let's see what they have to say. An intensely hydrating serum made with upcycled hydrangea tea and encapsulated oil that delivers a long-lasting moisture. Okay, for a minute I thought they said results. I was going to be very impressed. This is what it looks like. It's cute. It's got a little dropper top to it. Serums are pretty easy. I think I picked this one because I'm like, I'll use it. I can use up a serum, you know, no problem. That said, I probably have a million serums, but whatever. Next item is Sonage Collagen Boosting Serum, another skincare item. Oh, this one from Biro is 1.01 ounces. This one by Sonage is 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. Collagen Boosting Serum. You're right. I don't know that you can boost your collagen production with a topical anything. So I tend to just laugh at some of the claims that are made here. Bonjour, beautiful, it says on the top. This is what it looks like. Again, it's 1 ounce. Nothing really exciting on here. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, there's it's the little pump. Ooh. Does have a little bit of a fragrance. Okay, it's got a lot of fragrance and I don't like it. Let's see what the box has to say. Directions. Apply evenly to face and neck after cleansing and toning. Follow with your favorite Sonage moisturizer. I don't know if I'm saying it right. S-O-N. I don't know how to do the pronunciation with the A with the little... It's not an umlaut. I don't know what it is. French origin, botanical ingredients, American-made beauty, cruelty-free, and spa grade. Okay, so more serum. Stinks. Okay, this is OPV Beauty Skin Gold Primer. And it is 1 ounce. Does it have anything to say on it? Just the ingredients. It is shrink sealed. This one is shrink sealed. As you can see, the box doesn't look a whole lot different from either side. Ingredients, but that's it. They opted not to say anything about the product. It does have the shrink seal on it. So it's some sort of primer. I'm not going to open it because I'm appreciating that it's shrink sealed. Okay, what do we got here? Element Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, it's another liquid eyeliner. I don't know. I don't know. Is it like... There's one. Yeah, there's one. Oh, look, another black liquid eyeliner. Oh, look. Oh, look. Ooh. Okay, that's kind of a cool one. Not gonna lie, it's pretty cool. It's different. I'll try it. I'll try it. I do wear liquid eyeliner on occasion. You can see I just got a little bit tight lined with it. One more item. Now this is the exciting item because it's actually like, it's makeup. Other than it's not a black liquid eyeliner. It is a palette. I'm kind of so shocked. So here's our token piece of wrapping material in the box. We're just gonna... So it's our favorite Miss Violet Vosk, the Disco Drip. She's got pretty good eyeshadow palettes generally. Enough pigment in them. They're buildable, all that. So I do have a whole pile of Violet Voss palettes. So I like the color. You know, I do love me some purple. It does have a shade saver. And it does have a mirror. And it's kind of neutrally, you know, not bad. I like that. I've been trying to go neutral, you know, when you're shopping yourself at work. I try to look presentable. This is not real presentable today just because I'm a mess, but that's after, you know. But yeah, there's some nice metallics in here. It looks like some mattes. I don't think I would be using the green or the kind of teal color, but yeah, I'll find a way to use it. I might leave this out and try to give this a little use for the week. See what I think. So that's it. That's my $30 box from IPSY. So 5 full-size items. Some of it's makeup. 2 items. I don't know where you guys fall on the whole primer. Would you call that makeup? You know, is it skincare? Is it makeup? I think it rides the line between both. And then we got a couple of serums. The quote-unquote collagen boosting serum. I don't believe that. Sorry. I don't think anything topical is going to, you know, do anything other than moisturize. And then this Hydrangea Tea hydration serum. So that was it. 30 bucks. What do you think? Since I am working and, you know, temping, I didn't cancel this. I got points to burn. And I did cancel ice cream. I don't think I'm getting it this month for November. I don't think they're going to give it to me in PR or anything. I may give it, like, do another 3-month subscription with them for myself for the holidays. I might do that. So I might pick it up for December, or I might wait and just pick it up in 2025. We'll see. But yeah, this is it. Let me know what you think. Is it awful? No. Is it wonderful? No. But I'll use the Violet Voss. I'll find a way to use the serums as well. Not real thrilled about the smell on the one. It just... I'm trying to think what it smells like. Bad Men's Cologne? Pine needly? Not even good. Like, I don't mind, like, Pine Sol, but this is just nasty. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm curious to know what you got in your box as well, if you're still getting it. Yeah, I should probably drop this and just pick Ice Cream Beauty back up. I gotta look and see what I got for points left. If it's worth trying to, you know, continue it, or if I want to just cancel that and go with ice cream. We'll figure it out. All right. As you guys can tell, things are getting a little bit dwindly behind. I'm packing stuff up. I am in the process of getting ready to move. So life's chaotic right now. But yeah, hope things are going well. I will see you all on my next video. Bye, guys.